hello guys, welcome to another video. Today's video we're going to be playing Eastern Simulator, and we're going to get this Sprout. I upload twice a day, so make sure to subscribe, turn those notifications on, and press that like button, and smash the notification bell. And if you're the first comment in my video, you will I will add you to my friends list. All you gotta do is just leave your username and comment down. So yeah.
Sprout victory incoming.
And after after this, I might upload a treasure hunt simulator video. After this, if I upload it to YouTube. But we're about to get the Sprout over here. Oh god. Oh, it's already dropping this stuff. Let's go. Rage. Yes! Royal jellies! Royal jelly. Wait, you stole my rolls! Royal jelly. Thank you. Oh, 2 royal jellies. 2 treats. Please. Another 2 treats. 3 treats. Another treat. Another treat and a pineapple. Now let me go use a royal jelly on someone in my yeah, I'm poor right now because I just bought an egg.
Oh yeah, my next egg is like
my next egg is like 100k. Oh, I have 4 royal jellies. That's surprising. Oh, I just got a hasty bee out of the basic egg. That's possible. I got a rascal bee. Exhausted. All those are bad. Terrible. Let me see how much I need for next one. Riley bee? You just got their mortal enemy. The Bucko bee and the Riley bee are mortal enemies. Wait, follow me, Ben. Let's go to the 15 area. Oh god. Watch this, guys. I found a new trick.
Alright, let's do this thing.
Thank you. Oh, there's sparkles up here.
Where?
In the 15 area. I just dodged a werewolf. High five. You're dead. You're dead, mate. This is so easy for me. Just like, boy, what do you think you are? What are you doing, brother? Look at this dude. I'll just sit here for a little bit. Yeah, come up.
No, you were right. I thought for sure she had it.
Okay, 1 second, guys. I'll make them in like 10 minutes. I don't think they're still frozen. Oh. Get owned, bro. Oh god, this is scary. Oh, get owned. Get owned.
What the? That's a werewolf, bro.
I know. That's what I was telling you.
Oh, dude, this is so cool.
You could just hide behind the pumpkin. There's a royal jelly in there.
Nailed it. Thank you.
Wow, it just died. Oh, thank you, werewolf. My bees are low level, that's why. All of them. Oh, I'm so bored. I look like a noob. Little shortcut I found over here to get to the 5 area. You need a paraglider for this. Oh, that's how you do it like a boss. Get him, get him, get him. Hi, werewolf. Werewolf, you're so scary. Werewolf, oh my gosh. I just juked him. Bye bye, werewolf. Werewolf can't find me. Let's just go up here. What? What is what? What glue? Wait, go on your beat. A glue? Wait, let me see. Alright, guys, 1 second. Go to the egg. Go to the egg. Go to the egg. Go up to the egg. Grant 1 times 25 all in for your beans for 10 minutes. How did I die again? Okay, yeah, I was gonna help my dad out. So. Yeah, as you can tell, my bees are really low level right now. Oh, go. Oh, parkour right there. Not so parkour, but like still. Is this shortcut? No way. No, okay, yeah, I knew it. Or maybe, no, you have to have super high jump. I'm just kidding. Wait, unless, no way, actually. That could actually be a thing. Yeah, it's actually a thing. What? What did I just do? Honestly, that was kind of sick. Like, really. Guys, when it gets to 15 minutes, I'm gonna stop recording right there. You can buy royal jelly with the honey. In the 15 area. Do you know that? Ben, come to the 15 area. Come to the 15. Just come to the 15 area urgently. Yes, it's urgently. There's some good news I have for you, okay? Alright. Wait, go. Go left. Left. More. Go left more. No, you can't go in. Look, there's a honey. There's a royal jelly dispenser. Don't go in there. For honey. Goodbye. Look at this. Look at this dude. Let's go. Yes, this is me. I look kind of. Alright, Mike. Oh, come on. How'd you just got dead? That's not proper grammar. I just got dead. That should be a sign. I just got dead. You just roasted yourself. Go into the red thing. Cause did you know you could get free royal jelly there? Boy, I'm going into my gifted area. Look at me. See me? Look on the top of the shop. You need a paraglider. And you need a gifted bee to get into there. Because you need gifted bee, yeah. You can get a royal jelly every day if you have a gifted bee. Did you know that? Use another. Oh, okay. Yeah, terrible. Yeah, I know this guy. Yeah, he's so dumb. Come on, man. That's what he's doing. jelly a day.
Well, that instant converter sucks.
Wait, what the heck? I have to wait 14 days? Oh, 14 hours? Didn't even play yesterday. Okay, actually. I need 5 gifted bees. And, it's so hard to get gifted bees in this game nowadays. What can I get with 22 Robux in this shop? Probably like nothing. I wish I could get a lot of jelly, but I can't. Oh, I get so close to get a magic bean. Okay, yeah, no thanks. The heck is this? Have you ever thought that? Like, the heck is that thing, bro? Bro. Let me see what I need to get a gun with. Alright, buddy. Alright, buddy. So you wanna play with me like that? I'm slingshot. Yeah, this is how I walk now. If you guys want me to make a video with my 2 old avatars, 3, be sure to like this video, subscribe, turn notifications on. Also, you know, like, you can press the notification, yeah, and once you're done with that, press done, like, say done in the comments, and then you'll be there. And I might be doing a giveaway, guys, you never know. Make sure to check the description of every video. I do them randomly. And sometimes I randomly, literally, no way, am I gonna get up here? Wow. That's kinda, you can literally go off. How? That's a lot of, yeah, that's a lot of gun drops. Do I really need to collect? It used to be 250. That's so weird. Alright.
25K on it. I'm almost to 30K with sunflower. Then I have strawberry and then I'm crushing it.
I have 1 more minute. I have 1 more minute until I stop recording. You already know what to do. I said it at the beginning. What's crit? Oh, wait. Yes! Let's go! Let's go, man. I got another royal jelly. What the heck is back here? Anyway. Is this a secret area? I'm pretty sure it is. Is there anyone back here? Like, hello? Like, anyone? Hello? I think there's like some secret. Oh. Yeah, Mom, I'm recording a video, by the way. Ah! I'm using a webcam! What the heck? Sorry, guys, that was my mom.